What's up everyone? In this video, we will understand the functionality and the operation modes of this Samsung 5-in-1 convertible refrigerator. From this panel, we can operate and set the modes of this refrigerator. There are 3 push buttons: freezer, freezer convert and Frige. At some point, if this panel hangs, how to reset it I have explained at the end of this video. Normal mode is the default mode which is already activated when we turn on the refrigerator for the first time. The top section works as a freezer and the bottom works as a fridge. We can adjust the temperature from the fridge and freezer buttons as per the requirements. Press the freezer button to set the freezer temperature between -15° to -23° and by default -90° was set. Each time we press this button, the temperature changes in a sequence. Similarly, press the fridge button to set the fridge temperature between 1° to 7° and by default 3° was set. With extra fridge mode, we can convert the freezer into a fridge. Press and hold the freezer convert button for 3 seconds to convert a freezer into fridge mode. The freezer temperature indication will be turned off and the fridge icon will turn on for this mode. Now the freezer compartment will maintain the cooling selected for the fridge compartment. To deactivate this mode, press and hold the freezer convert button for 3 seconds and then press freezer convert button until the freezer temperature indication is turned on. In seasonal mode, the freezer section can be turned off and only the fridge section stay active. Press and hold the freezer convert button for 3 seconds to enter the selection mode, then press the freezer convert button and select off. To deactivate this mode, press the freezer convert button twice and the freezer temperature indication will be turned on. In vacation mode, the fridge section can be turned off and only the freezer stay on. Press the fridge button repeatedly until this icon turns on. To deactivate this mode, press the fridge button in a sequence and select the desired temperature. In home alone mode, the freezer compartment will be converted into a fridge and the fridge section will be turned off. Press and hold the freezer convert button for 3 seconds to convert the freezer into a fridge. To turn off the fridge section, press the fridge button repeatedly until this icon turns on. If you are in the process of buying a refrigerator, check the links in the description. At some point, if this panel hangs, to reset it, press and hold freezer and fridge button together for 3 seconds. It will reset the panel. The power freeze function speeds up the freezing process at the maximum speed. To activate, press and hold the freezer button for 3 seconds and this indicator will be turned on. The freezer runs at full speed for several hours and then return to the previous temperature. To deactivate, press and hold the freezer button again for 3 seconds. The power cool function speeds up the cooling process at the maximum fan speed. To activate, press and hold the power cool button for 3 seconds and this indicator will be turned on. The fridge will run at full speed for several hours and then return to the previous temperature. To deactivate, press and hold the power cool button for 3 seconds. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos.